The printing press took 2 centuries to change the world. Television connected the planet in just 20 years. The internet broke borders in only 5. And today, a new revolution is transforming history faster than we ever imagined. Nothing, absolutely nothing, is evolving as fast as artificial intelligence. It didn't need decades. It didn't need years. A few months were enough to rewrite the rules of the game. More than 78% of companies already use artificial intelligence in some area of their business. AI is not a trend. It is an unstoppable wave. We're no longer talking about the future. We're talking about the present. A technology that learns, creates, analyzes, and decides. A tool that is rewriting how we work, how we buy, and even how we travel. Because today, traveling is no longer just an experience, it's an opportunity. While many look at this change with fear, others are taking positions in an industry that moves trillions every year, tourism. And within that giant, a new kingdom is emerging, smart tourism. Artificial intelligence applied to travel is already revolutionizing the way people search, compare, book, and live their adventures. Imagine having by your side an intelligent assistant capable of planning, comparing, and designing trips tailored to you. A system that understands your tastes, your timing, your lifestyle, and turns your dreams into real destinations. That is Botsi, the first travel planner powered by artificial intelligence. The perfect union between tourism, technology, and the new digital economy. An economy where people don't just consume, they can earn by connecting others to travel experiences. The world is changing. And the real question isn't whether you will join this revolution, but when. Because in this era, there are only 2 possible places. The side of the user or the side of the one who profits from the system. Before entering any business, ask yourself, does the industry have real potential today? Is it growing or dying? Does the company behind it have a true vision of the future? A vision capable of leading the next wave of growth? Do the products or services have real demand, or are they just a fad? Can you do it alone, or is it better in a team? Now tell me, if I showed you a business that meets each of these criteria, would you agree that the smart, inevitable decision would be to take it immediately? The decision is simple. Are you going to consume this revolution, or are you going to earn from it? Because everyone, absolutely everyone, will end up planning their trips with artificial intelligence. The only difference will be which side of history you're on when that happens. Tourism has changed. The rules have changed. And those who move now will be the ones who win later. Be part of the new way to generate income in tourism. Global, digital, and powered by artificial intelligence. Welcome to the future of tourism. Welcome to the world of Botsi.
The future belongs to those who see possibilities before they become obvious. John Scully.